Hello kids, welcome back. Today we are going to look at another situation. How to use if then statement for two conditions. If I want to use the if then statement for two instances, I'm just going to get this one again, if then another one. But this time, let's say my event is my sensing is touching mouse pointer. Okay, so if it is touching mouse pointer and let's say we say hello, and I am going to take this one as well. Okay, so let's see what happens here. If I am going to do this one, okay, clicking it is start playing and it is saying hello. But if I am stopping it and putting here say hello for 2 seconds only, okay, you see it is saying hello when it is touching and it is stopping there and then moving on. Okay, but if I am using only say hello, right here, I am clicking it, not doing anything, and if I am touching it, it is just saying hello even I am moving away my mouse because it has not told it to say it for 2 seconds. Again, I am stopping the game, say hello for 2 seconds. Okay, I'm touching it, saying hello and stopping it there. Okay, it is stopping there for 2 seconds, then it is moving further. So that's how we can use two if then statements. If it is touching the edge, it is doing something, and if it is touching my mouse pointer, it is doing something else. So it is checking these both two if then statements together. That's all for today. Bye bye now. See you in the next module.